Wow! My commentary about the loyal pin, friend and Vicky. So your love, the way you kiss, the way you care and love, comfort, that friend found the most beautiful comforting place with your arms. Your love has transformed the world of paradise of love and happiness with every beat of the heart of Vicky. More and more, you are the everything cherished every moment you share to friend. The love of life being with you feel like a sweetest adventure that never ends. Your love makes every day brighter and more meaningful, from your warm and smile to your gentle touch, gentle kiss, everything about the capture your heart. Just like Brain and Vicky is so blessed to have all this care. And for me, I want you to share for a lifetime, a love life. Just remember this. This is my commentary is all about love. This love can make you complete, that never won't let go. Your love has transformed the world into a paradise, love and happiness.